What a beautiful day today. I love the sun and it's really encouraging to work out. Are you ready to work on your abs? I need to hear from you. Please send me your feedback. Remember to have a proper breakfast, healthy one, and always drink a lot of water. Lots and lots of water. That's a blessing that God has given you. Today we are going to continue to continue working on our abs. It's very, very important, and I want to remind you that every time you lift your legs, you are working on your abs. Always remember to pull in your stomach, even when you are walking or you are cooking or wherever you are, even in the bed. By the way, that's what our instructors are telling us. Thank God for Nina and Maria, Michelle, Sarah. They all teach us that every time we are working out, we have to pull in our stomachs. So are you ready? I am ready. Okay, let's go. Today we are lifting our legs. This is a different, totally different exercise. Okay, here we go. Or you can cross your hands. Remember to breathe in. If you can't do that, there is an alternative. You can put your hands under the legs. Pull in your stomach. Okay, let's repeat the other one. We started with, remember to pull in your stomach and relax. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'll repeat the last one and we'll be done. Remember to continue at least for 30 minutes, or even after this exercise you can go walk around or go for a jog or a brisk walk. It will help you. You work on the muscles of your heart. You want to live healthy, you want to be happy. I have a passion to work out because my mom has suffered with being overweight. She has gone through 4 major operations on her back. So I'm trying to fight that. It will not be my portion, and I pray that you will not also die premature death or even suffer from such diseases like high blood pressure, heart attacks. Okay, let's do the second set of lifting the legs. You can be fast if you want, as long as you do the technique. Pull in the stomach and work hard. Okay, that's it for today. Continue working out. The Lord is your strength. No excuses. Never say you don't have time. If you can come on Facebook and chat with friends, you can use some of that time to work out. You know, it's about you making up a decision today. Health is wealth. No pain, no gain. Go and work out. Get rid of that stomach. Change the way you eat. Eat a lot of protein like chicken, fish. Vegetables are very good as well. Salads and all that. Thank you so much for working out. Keep up the good works. I look forward to see your videos. I look forward to hear from you. Send a post.